Hello, students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to this session of English Literature. In the last session, we have discussed the notes of Merchant of Venice, Act 1, Scene 1. Today, we will be discussing the notes of Merchant of Venice, Act 1, Scene 2. So, let us see our first extract. What it is? This extract is spoken by Nerissa. Who was Nerissa? Nerissa was servant or maid of Portia. She was servant and maid of Portia. Now, what does she say? That your father was ever virtuous, and holy men at their death have good inspirations. Therefore, the lottery that he had devised in these three chests of gold, silver, and lead, whereof who chooses his meaning chooses you, will no doubt never be chosen by any rightly but one who shall rightly love. But what warmth is there in your affection towards any of these princely suitors that are already come? Now, what is the meaning of this extract? As Portia was very much sad, she was very much unhappy, so Nerissa was comforting her, saying that his father was a great holy man, and such men have very strange wishes at the time of their death, and the will which was given by her father was such a strange wish. So she is saying that he had devised a lottery system. What was the lottery system? That there were three caskets of gold, silver, and lead, and one of the casket was containing the portrait of Portia. And she says that who chooses this casket, correct casket, will be choosing you. So I am sure that whoever will choose the correct casket will rightly love you. He will love you very much. But just tell me that what are your views? What are your views about those suitors that have already visited? So this was the meaning of the extract. Now let us see our first question. Our first question is, what has Portia just said in response to which Nerissa speaks these words? So, the meaning of the question is, what was Portia saying to Nerissa, and in what response does Nerissa speak such words? Now, let us see the answer. Portia used Nerissa to name person so that she could comment on them. She further said that according to her comment, Nerissa may conclude about her love for them. Now, Portia told Nerissa to name those persons who have already come, and according to those names, Portia will comment something regarding their characteristics, and according to her comment, she may further conclude that what is her feeling about them. So this was the answer. Now let us head towards second question. Our second question is, describe the lottery referred to in the extract. Now here you have to describe that lottery will that is being referred to in the extract. I have already told you, but let's discuss the answer. The choice of three caskets, namely gold, silver, and lead, has been referred to as the lottery. The one who makes the correct choice will win Portia as his wife. It means that there were three caskets, one was of gold, one was of silver, and one was of lead. So these three caskets were referred to as the lottery, and whoever who chooses the correct casket will win Portia. He will get to marry Portia. Now let us see our next question. Give the reactions of Portia as well Nerissa to the lottery. Means what was their thinking about the lottery? What was their opinion about the lottery? Now let's see the answer. Portia as well as Nerissa is seen to be doubtful concerning Portia's future, owing to the strange provisions of her father's will as to the manner in which she is to be won by the suitor who chooses correctly between the three caskets. Now, what does this mean? That Portia and Nerissa were very much doubtful regarding this casket system, because that was a strange wish of his father, as whoever, maybe wrong person may choose the correct casket. So that is why she was very much confused. She was not able to think correctly about that lottery system. Now next question is, give the meaning of never be chosen by any rightly but one who shall rightly love. So this is one of the phrase given. We have to tell the meaning of this phrase. Now let's see the answer. Nerissa says that she has no doubt that she would be chosen correctly by a person whom she would truly love. Now Nerissa is trying to comfort Portia. Here she refers to Nerissa. She is saying that Nerissa has no doubt that Portia, here she means Portia, that Portia would be chosen correctly by the only one person who she would truly love. Means she would be chosen by the correct person whom she would love. Okay, so this was the answer of this question. Now let us see next question. Our next question is, Portia is melancholy in the beginning. Portia is melancholic in the beginning of the scene, as it was the case with Antonio in the previous scene. What is the difference between Antonio's melancholy and that of Portia? Now, what does this question means that, as we have seen in Act 1, Scene 1, in the starting of the scene, Antonio was very much sad, and here in Act 1, Scene 2, in the starting of the scene, Portia was very sad. So here the comparison is being asked, that what is the difference between the sadness of Antonio and sadness of Portia. Now let us see the answer. Antonio's melancholic mood in the first scene is parallel to Portia's weary mood in this scene. Means that Antonio was also in melancholic mood in the first scene, and Portia is in weary mood, in melancholic mood in this second scene. However, Portia's melancholy is the result of anxiety over the prospects of her future husband, while the cause of Antonio's melancholy is unknown. So what is the difference being told here? That Portia was anxious because of her future husband. She was very much doubtful that who would be her future husband, whereas Antonio's sadness was unknown. He himself was not knowing the reason of his sadness. So here we have discussed the first extract. Now in the same way, there are many more extracts as well as questions relating to that. Those extracts are given here. So kindly go through it and try to answer this on your own. So this is it for today. Thank you so much.